Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to give you access your Google Ads account. Now I am sharing my screen. I think my screen is visible. First of all, you should to go your Google Ad account, sign in. After open your Google Ads account, there is option admin. When put your mouse in admin, there is open a access and security. Access and security. Click access and security. After that, there is a option plus icon. Plus icon. You should to click plus icon. Which Gmail you want to give you access, put here the Gmail like this, and you can select standard or admin option. You can select standard or admin option. You select standard option and click send invitation and click here. Now if you face any problem or issues, you can go to security option and scroll down and then click allow domains and click here and add domains. Now type here gmail.com and save it I think you understand how to give you Google Ads admin access. Thanks for watching.